Hello and welcome to my Udemy course marketing tutorial on course resources affiliate links. In this video, I want to talk with you about inserting affiliate links into your Udemy courses to generate additional revenue. Now, what is an affiliate link? Affiliate links are digital product URLs that contain special arguments specifying you as an affiliate seller of the product. And as a result, you receive a substantial share of the sales revenue at no additional cost to the buyer. Let me show you how to insert affiliate links into a course. First, it has to be in a lecture called Course Resources. And here you can see it's the second lecture in my course. If I open it up, it's a textual file, and it contains several interesting links of information of course resources for the student. But it also contains affiliate links down at the bottom that I call licensing links. Now, these licensing links are shortened URLs. For instance, there's a licensing link for a product called Artistly, which is an affiliate link that gets me a commission if the student uses this link to buy the product. Now, these are shortened links that I use a link shortener called LinkPod, and if you look at it, you can see that the shortened link is actually being sent to a site called Pay Kickstart, which is the affiliate manager for Artistly. Now, this is what I want to show you. If I look at my Udemy course sales for Artistly, I can see that I've made $610.45 in the last 4 months, the first 4 months of the course's existence. But if I come over to Pay Kickstart and look at my affiliate sales, I can see that I've made $295.56 of affiliate sales from people clicking on those affiliate links in that course. Now, if we look at the total, we can see that my affiliate sales are 33% of my revenue from that Udemy course. How would you like to get a 33% increase in your Udemy sales? Well, you can do it by inserting affiliate links into your course resources lecture in your course. And this has been a Udemy course marketing tutorial on course resources affiliate links. My name is Brian Jackson, and I'll see you in the classroom.